dx. Now, how about this? What's the method of doing that? Decide on your u and dv. Well, your u equal to x. Why? Because 1 over square root 2 plus 3x dx can be integrated. That's right. So, your u equal to x, du therefore equal to dx. What is your dv then? If u is x, your dv will be 1 over square root 2 plus 3x dx. That's right. How do we integrate this? By now, you must be able to integrate these kind of quantities very easily. Well, we substitute 2 plus 3x equal to u. And then replace your dx in terms of that. Alright, so we have v equal to integral 1 over square root 2 plus 3x dx. And I have colored 2 plus 3x, which means substitute 2 plus 3x equal to u. And that will give you the differential 3 dx equal to du, or dx equal to du over 3, and bring it over there. That will be integral 1 over square root u, 2 plus 3x is our u, and dx is du over 3. And of course, 1/3 comes out, and 1 over square root u is u to the power of -1/2. We have done a number of these in previous occasions. What is integral u to the power of -1/2 du? It will be u to the power of -1/2 plus 1 over -1/2 plus 1, which is u to the power of 1/2 divided by 1/2. That's right. So that will be 1/3 u to the power of 1/2 divided by 1/2. And what will be divided by 1/2? That 2 will go up. So that will be 2/3 u to the power of 1/2. And u to the power of 1/2 is square root of u. And square root of u is square root of 2 plus 3x. So our v is 2/3 square root 2 plus 3x. Once again, our u is x, our du is dx, our dv is this quantity, and our v is this. And now we can take these and use our integration by parts formula. You got u, du, dv, and v available there. Therefore, integral u dv is uv minus v du, and this is our original form of integration. And our x is our u, 1 over square root 2 plus 3x dx is our dv. And so, what's the uv? U times v will be x times 2/3 square root 2 plus 3x, that's our uv, minus integral v du. Integral v du will be 2/3 square root 2 plus 3x dx. Okay, now that's equal to, this will be 2/3 x square root 2 plus 3x minus 2/3 of integral square root 2 plus 3x dx. That can be integrated easily by using a substitution. What is a substitution? I have given it away by coloring it. So substitute 2 plus 3x equal to u. That gives you 3 dx equal to du, or dx is du over 3. Bring it over there. That will be the same thing, u times v minus 2/3 integral square root u, dx is du over 3. And now this 3 comes out to make that 2 over 9 square root u du. So that will be 2/3 x square root 2 plus 3x. minus 2 over 9 integral u to the power of 1/2 du. And you know how to integrate this. Integral u to the power of 1/2 is u to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. There you go. So that term does not change. Minus 2 over 9 u to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. And combine this. This 2 will go up, will make it 4, and this 3 will multiply with 9. So the number here will be 4 over 27. And replacing your u with 2 plus 3x, you have 2/3 x square root 2 plus 3x minus 4 over 27 u to the power of 3 over 2, 2 plus 3x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Okay, how do you simplify this? Now remember, square root 2 plus 3x is the same as 2 plus 3x to the power of 1/2. So this is actually square root 2 plus 3x multiplied by 2 plus 3x. That's what you see. 3 over 2 is 1/2 plus 1. So I can actually factor out a square root 2 plus 3x, can't I? I hope you understood this. Let me write down that for you. You see, this quantity 2 plus 3x to the power of 3 over 2 is actually square root 2 plus 3x times 2 plus 3x. Because square root 2 plus 3x is to the power of 1/2. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. So I can actually factor out a square root 2 plus 3x from there. And is there anything else? Also a 2 over 27. So I'm going to factor out a 2 over 27 square root 2 plus 3x and see what is left after factoring that out. What is left in here? Now, in the first term, you only have 2 over 3, but I'm factoring out a 2 over 27. That means this will get multiplied by 9. So this has come out. You have multiplied the numerator by 9, and 2 over 27 has come out. So what is left there is a 9x. So after factoring out 2 over 27 square root 2 plus 3x, what is left in here is a 9x. I want you to understand that. What I did is multiply numerator by 9, denominator by 9 to produce a 27. And 2 over 27 came out, leaving a 9x. But this also came out. Minus, what is left here? 2 over 27 came out, leaving a 2 there. And square root 2 plus 3x came out, leaving a 2 plus 3x there. There you are. So that's minus 2 times 2 plus 3x. And now simplify that. You get 2 over 27 square root 2 plus 3x times 3x minus 4 plus c is that result. Again, a very good one. Try and practice this one more time. All right, another one. Evaluate the integral. Integral arc cos x dx. Arc cos x dx. Can you decide on a u and a v? Well, you cannot integrate arc cos x. You have not learned how to do it. So obviously that cannot be dv. So can that be u? Do you know how to differentiate arc cos x? Yes, we have done that. So arc cos x can be differentiated. So that can be your u and dx can be your dv. That's the way to go. So we have u equal to arc cos x. What is the derivative of arc cos x? the derivative of arc cos x is negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared. If you've forgotten it, you've got to go back and refer to it. The derivative of arc cos x is negative square root 1 minus x squared. Therefore, du is negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared dx. So you got u and your du. Our dx will be our dv. If dv equal to dx, what's our v? V will be equal to x. You see, it became actually very simple. Alright, let's go here. Integral v du is uv minus integral v du. Therefore, integral arc cos x dx is uv, u times v is arc cos x times x, which is x arc cos x, minus integral v du, v du, v is x, du is negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared. That's how the negative came. So the product of v and du is this. Now these two negatives become positive, is that right? And in order to do this integration, we make a substitution. Because there is an x dx there, we can make a substitution, 1 minus x squared equal to u, and that will give me negative 2x dx equal to u, or negative x dx as du over 2. So when you replace 1 minus x squared as u, negative x dx will become du over 2. So that becomes x arc cos x minus integral 1 over square root u, negative x dx becomes du over 2. That will be x arc cos x minus this 1/2 comes out, 1/2 times integral u to the power of negative 1/2 du. And of course, integral u to the power of negative 1/2 is u to the power of 1/2 divided by 1/2. That will be x arc cos x minus 1/2 u to the power of 1/2 divided by 1/2. And you can see this divided by 1/2, the 2 goes up and cancels. That means this whole thing will disappear, leaving a 1. This is simply u to the power of 1/2 plus c. And u to the power of 1/2 is square root of u, where our u is 1 minus x squared. So our answer therefore is x arc cos x minus square root of 1 minus x squared plus c. And that is a typical type of integration. And I want you to go back and pick some of these problems from the homework and practice this on your own. A very good method of integration by parts.